Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by taking control. Wipe the screen with the wet wipe, then dry with the microfiber. This removes oils that trap dust later. Once done, use the dust sticker to lift any specks. Make sure to check corners and camera area. Position the alignment frame or edges of the protector at the top first and line it up without pressing down. This initial placement is critical because precise alignment prevents cutout misplacement and reduces bubble formation during the next step. You now commit. Peel back a small portion of the protector's backing so the adhesive edge is exposed, and never touch that adhesive with your fingers. Slowly lower the exposed edge onto the aligned top of the screen, then let the rest of the protector lay down while you control descent. Use a plastic card or squeegee, starting from the center and pushing outward. This forces trapped air and moisture toward the edges for a smooth bond. If tiny bubbles remain, don't panic. Most migrate out during the next 5 to 10 minutes. You finish by sealing the perimeter. Firmly run the card around every edge to ensure full contact, because incomplete adhesion causes peeling later. Once sealed, inspect for dust or persistent bubbles. If you see a single dust particle, lift the nearest corner slowly, use a dust sticker to remove it, and reapply. Just one careful lift. If multiple bubbles or poor adhesion persist, accept replacement from the kit or manufacturer, since applying more pressure won't restore the adhesive and can create permanent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.